Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to day one of our readwriting videos for this week. Today we are going to be learning a new special friend sound. This is quite a tricky sound because in some words it sounds like ooh, and in some other words it sounds like you. So confusing, but we are going to get to the bottom of it. Are you up for the challenge? Excellent. Okay. Now, the sound is oo, oo, or you, you. Miss Brown's got a picture on the back of the card, and it's a boy chewing his stew. Yum. It must look really chewy. Look at his big sharp teeth. So, I have got some words that have got the oo or the you sound in them. I wonder if you can spot the difference when Miss Brown sounds it out. N, you, new. F, l, oo, flew. B, l, oo, blue. F, you, few. K, you, crew. N, you, t, newt. One more. G, ooh, grew. Can you see the difference there? Some of them use the oo sound and some of them use the you sound. But we use the same special friends, and our special friends is a and wi. It is a little bit complicated because the a and the wi sometimes make the oo sound and sometimes it makes the you sound. So we've just got to be super at our sounds and know exactly what one to use. So, when I hold the card this way, you're going to say ooh or you. When I hold the card this way, you're going to say chew the stew. Are you ready? Let's see if I can trick you. Well done, guys. You can't trick me, Miss Brown. Okay, let's pop our new sound into our review pack. Magnet eyes on the cards, sitting up like readers. Let's go. There it is, you or ooh. Super speedy sounds, boys and girls. Okay, Miss Brown has got some words with the you or the ooh sound in them. Are we ready? We're going to spot the special friends. Fred talk, then read the word. Okay, this word is chew. Special friends is ch. Ooh sound for this word. Let's Fred talk it. Ch, ooh. Chew. It sounds like it should be o and o, but it's a and w. Chew. Special friends. You. Fred talk. N, you. New. I got a new pair of shoes. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Is it ooh or you? That's right. Ooh. Blue. I blew the candles out. Okay. Special friends. Fred talk. What sound is that? Flew. Ooh, I flew high in the sky in the aeroplane. Last one. Drew. I drew a beautiful picture. Well done. Excellent. Okay, let's do our speedy reading. Are you ready? These are words that we already know because we have learned the sound in them. Let's get started. Go! Super speedy reading. Did you get those all? Well done. Okay, I'm going to quiz you on some of your red tricky words. Are you ready? Magnet eyes, quick as you can. Super speedy reading of those red tricky words, boys and girls. Well done. Okay, you now are going to go on to practice more of your red tricky words, your super speedy sounds, and your story green words in your reading book. Remember to take pictures or videos of you having a go at reading your book. That would be super, so I can hear you read. Well done, boys and girls. We have learned our new sound, oo, and you. Our special friends make up a and w. That's a tricky one. We might need a couple weeks practice on this one. Okay, well done, boys and girls, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of Read Write Ink. Bye, boys and girls.